Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to deal with a new topic, percent. You always say, I got 87%, I got 95%. So, what is this percent? Let us see now. Percent means per 100. Every part in 100 is percent. Centum means 100. I got centum in maths. That means you scored 100 out of 100 in math. Percent always compares a quantity to 100 only. So percent means always comparing to 100. The symbol for percent is a slash, a cross slash followed by circles above and below the slash. That is symbol of percent. 20%, 20 by 100. You got 87%. That means out of 100 you have scored 87%. I will show you in the picture here. See here, there is a 100 grade and 25 squares are colored in blue. So the percent of shaded part is 25% is shaded. Out of 100, 25 squares are shaded. And in the next figure, this is a 100 square grade. And here 20 squares are shaded in green. The percent of green color is 20%, 20 by 100. Out of 100, 20 are shaded in green color. Here the percentage of blue color squares is 9%. Only 9 squares out of 100 are shaded in blue. And the percentage of red color is 4%. That is 4 by 100. Out of 100 squares, 4 only are shaded in red color. In this way, you compare percent means denominator should be 100. Now, the percentage of vowels. Percentage of vowels. How many alphabet are there in English? 26. And how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. What is the percent of vowels? 5 by 26 into 100. That is 9.23% or like that something. 19.23%. Percentage of consonants. How many consonants are there in English? 21. Total number of alphabet 26. 21 by 26 into 100. That gives you 80.77%. In this way, a fraction can be converted into percent by multiplying by 100. It can be turned into percent. Yes, children, let us know how to convert a fraction to percent. For this, just you need to multiply the fraction by 100 and now cancel 1 by 4. To convert this into percent, we have to multiply 1 by 4 into 100. Cancel 4 ones are 4 25s are. So 25% is the answer. When you need to convert a fraction into percent, what you need to do? You need to multiply by 100, and for the answer you have to put the symbol of percent. 1 by 4 into 100 is 4 ones are 4 25s are 25%. Next 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 100. 10 ones are 10 tens are 10%. Just you need to multiply the fraction by 100 and after cancellation you have to put the symbol percent for the answer. 19 by 20. 19 by 20 into 100. 21s are 25s are. 19 5s are 95%. 95%. If you get 19 out of 20 in a test, so your percent is 95%. Just multiply the given fraction by 100 and cancel out. 21s are 25s are 19 into 5 is 95%, 95, and put the symbol percent. 2 5 by 14, 14 2s are 28 plus 5. Mixed fraction 2, 14 2s are plus 5 by 14. So 28 plus 5 by 14, 33 by 14. 33 by 14 into 100. So 2 7s are, 2 50s are. It cannot be cancelled further. 33 5s are 165. 1650 divided by 7. Now divide it by 7. 7 2s are 14, 25. 7 3s are 21, 4, 40. 7 5s are 30. Again 5, 50. 7 point and 0 here. 7 7s are 49, 1. So this becomes 33 by 14 into 100 and 1650 by 7. The answer is 235.7%. And 5 by 30, that is equal to 5 by 30 into 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 50 by 3. 50 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 20, 3 6s are 28, 2, put 0 and put a decimal, 6, 3 6 are 18, 2. So this is 16.6%. In this way, a fraction can be converted into percent. అర్థమవుతుందా నన్ను? Yes, children, convert the following decimal to percentages. So here is the first one, 0.7. So just multiply by 100. And here see, this can be turned into a fraction. 0.7 is after decimal there is one digit, denominator should be 10, so 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 100. 10 1s are, 10 10s are 70%. Or when you multiply a decimal by 100, decimal should shift 2 places after. So 70%. In this way, any way you can write 0.04. 0.04 into 100. Just multiply the decimal by 100 and 0.04. This is 4. After decimal, 2 digits are there. 4 by 100 into 100. 100 and 100 gets cancelled. 4%. Or decimal will shift 2 places forward. So 4%. 4.0, that is equal to 4%. Zero 0.018. Here 0.018 0.018 into 100. Now here after decimal 3 digits are there. 18 by 1000 into 100. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. 18 by 10, that is you have to put the decimal when the denominator is 10. Decimal should be kept 1 digit from right. 1.8%. Coming to the fourth problem, 0.205. So 0.205 into 100 or 205 by 1000 into 100. Two zeros gets cancelled. 205 by 10. And when the denominator is 10, decimal should be kept one digit after from right. So 20.5%. Here also, when you multiply by 100, decimal should shift 2 places forward towards right. So 20.5%. In this way, a decimal can be converted into a fraction. Yes, children, this is second model, conversion of a percent to fraction. When percent is given, you need to convert into fraction. Previously, we have converted a fraction into percent by multiplying by 100 and cancelling. Now, to convert a percent to fraction, multiply by 1 by 100. Just multiply by 1 by 100. So, 50%. First step is remove percentage symbol and multiply by 1 by 100. When you multiply by 1 by 100, you should not write the symbol of percent. 50 into 1 by 100. 50 ones are 52s are. Just cancellation or changing it into, reduce it to lowest terms. 51s are 52s are 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the percent of 50%. 40%. First step, remove percent symbol. Next, multiply by 100, 1 by 100, sorry. And then reduce it to lowest terms. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are, 2 5s are. Or 22s are, 25s are. 2 by 5 is the fraction for 40%. Fifteen 2 by 8%. 15 into 8 plus 2 by 8. 15 8s are 120 plus 2 by 8. 122 by 8. To convert into fraction, 122 by 8 into 1 by 100. 2 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. That is 61 into 1 by 4 into 100. Sorry. 61 into 1 by 4 into 100. 61 by 400, it cannot be further cancelled. That is the fraction of 15 to by 8% means 61 by 400. Just change it into improper fraction. 15 8s are 120 plus 2, 122 by 8. Just to convert into fraction, what you need to do? 120 by 8 into 1 by 100. Just multiply by 1 by 100. Now carry out the cancellation. 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8. 61 into 1 by 4 into 100. That is 61 by 400 is the fraction for 15 2 by 8%. Five 6 by 19%. 19 into 5 plus 6 by 19. 19 5s are 95 plus 6 by 19. So 95 plus 6 is 101 by 19. To To change this into fraction, 101 by 19 into 1 by 100. It cannot be further cancelled. So 101 by 1900 is the fraction for this. 56 by 19% is equal to 101 by 1900. In this way you can convert a percent to fraction. The process is first remove the percent symbol, write the fraction and multiply by 1 by 100 and reduce it to lowest terms. Yes children, here is another model, conversion of percent to decimal. Percentage is given and you need to convert it into decimal. To convert percent to decimal, we need to multiply by 1 by 100 just as for the fraction to percent to fraction. Just like that we need to multiply by 1 by 100. So here first example is 8%. For this you need to remove the percent symbol and multiply by 1 by 100. 8 into 1 by 100, 8 by 100, that is change into decimal. When two zeros are there, decimal should be kept after 2 digits from right. So 0.08. As there is one digit in the numerator, we have to put one more 0 and then decimal. 0.08. Convert percent to decimal, 95%. Remove percent symbol, multiply by 1 by 100. 95 into 1 by 95. 95 into 1 is 95 by 100. Now decimal should be kept 2 digits. 2 zeros are there. 2 digits before from right. So 0.95. 0.01%. 0.01 into 1 by 100, that is equal to 0.01 by 100, that is equal to 2 digits right from 0.0001, that is the decimal form of 0.01%. So this should be kept 2 digits and another 2 digits before. So 0.001. Third problem I'll tell you. 16.5%. So remove percent symbol and multiply by 1 by 100. So 16.5 by 100. So decimal should be kept 2 digits, it should shift 2 digits forward. So 0.165, that is the decimal form of 16.5%. So children, in this way you can convert percent to decimal, decimal to percent, and percent to fraction and fraction to percent. An exercise is given in page number 94. You can complete that. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.